Meet tyre expert Chris Perry from ProTyre. He's been in the business for 25 years now and knows everything there is to know about tyres. So Chris, why is wheel alignment so important when it comes to tyre maintenance? How can you tell if you need to get this checked out or not on your car? Is there a big difference between 2 and 4 wheel alignment? And why should I get my alignment checked out in the first place?
If you impact on a pothole or a curb or any sort of impact on the wheels, I would recommend going and getting the alignment checked. You can look at the tyres and check for the consistency of the tyre wear. If there is uneven tyre wear on either sides of the tyre, then it is recommended to have the alignment checked. The key signs are looking at the consistency of the tyre wear on the tyres. If they're wearing nice and even, the alignment's usually okay. But if you've got tyre wear on either edge, it is worth checking the alignment. Same principles apply, whether it be 2-wheel or 4-wheel, it's always recommended to get the alignment checked on the vehicle. With 4-wheel alignment, this will look at both front and rear wheels, and if you have uneven wear on the rear wheels as well, this can be adjusted.
So that's why getting your wheel alignment checked is so important, because if it's not set up just right, you really will wear your tyres out way too fast. And remember, at ProTyre, it costs less than 50 quid to get all 4 wheels aligned, or about half a tank of fuel at today's prices. Cheers for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and make sure you visit etyres.co.uk for the most competitive tyre prices anywhere on the internet. Stay safe and see you next time.